Hello and welcome to your VoiceThread tutorial. So, in order to get to this screen through in VoiceThread, you're going to want to click on the link that I provide you in this week's module called Inspecting Assumptions, VoiceThread. You click on that and it'll direct you to this screen. And then what you're going to want to do is click play. If it might already open up for you and start playing, you can pause it and restart it. But you'll want to, if it doesn't, then click play here. And then you'll see that this is a 30-minute video, but you can see I have it playing at 2 times speed. I feel like I speak slowly enough that 2 times you can still understand me pretty well. But if not, you do what works for you, but you can see it can be fewer than 30 minutes as well. I do encourage you to listen to everything, all of my instruction, because I provide you instructions on how to use this VoiceThread and what to do. I also provide you instructions for each section, responding to the readings, responding to the advertisements, and responding to the bumper stickers. And I also provide you instruction, modeling of how to work through the analysis of the reading, how to work through the analysis of the advertisements, and how to work through the advertisements of the bumper sticker. And I give you my own examples of an advertisement and bumper sticker that should help you with your analyses. So what you can see is here, you can also kind of fast forward. Here's where I give you some more instruction about things. Here's where I also provide you some information about W.E.B. Du Bois. And then I provide you some information and insight about Simone de Beauvoir. And then I provide you some information about Amari DiGiorgio. And what you're going to want to do is when you're ready to respond, you just hit, instead of play, you're going to hit the pause. It'll have a pause symbol. And then you come over here. This is where you want to add your own voice thread. So you hit the plus sign. If you're interested in showing yourself, recording yourself, that's a wonderful way for us to see each other in chat. I give you that option, but you can also click here. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like. And now I'm recording what I have to say. You can also draw on here if you want, or say something if you want. And so this is me recording. Then I'm going to hit the stop recording when I'm done. I don't want to log out. If I log out, I will lose my comment. So notice that I need to wait till it finishes uploading. You can also hear it, and then I have to hit save. If I don't hit save, and if I don't wait for it to upload and I don't hit save, my voice comment will be erased. And so now you can see this is what it will look like when I'm all done. And that's what it will look like when you're all done. And then you can also see that this little blue dot means that somebody has left a comment here. So you can be sure to listen to those comments as well. And then as we move forward, you'll see that I'm analyzing an advertisement for you and modeling that process. And then you can go through and see the other places where you'll stop and comment on the advertisement that your name is next to. And then here I've got stupidity is not a crime. This is a bumper sticker I'm analyzing for you and modeling. And then you'll be able to see the others here until we get to the end. And if you have any questions, please post them there. And then again, if you wanted to listen to this, you can click on the comments separately. You can also play, and then they'll pop up here and you can go to it and listen to it here. So be sure to listen to any comments that are on any part of the presentation before you contribute, because you don't want to repeat what others have said. And then this is how we use VoiceThread. And I hope that you find it engaging and interesting. And as long as you save, I don't think you'll have any problems uploading your comments. Please reach out if you have any questions, post them here, email me, post them to Curious Cat on Canvas, and enjoy this week's discourse. I'll be in touch. Ciao.